Crypto price prediction May 16, 2025. BTC, ETH, SOL, XRP, ADA. Altcoins. Bitcoin. Price prediction. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. The market as a whole is down today, but several major tokens have moved into very bullish positions. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Author. Simon Chandler. Author. Simon Chandler. About author. Simon Chandler is a Brighton-based writer and journalist with over 10 years of experience writing about crypto, technology, politics, and culture. He has written for cryptonews.com since late 2017. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. May 15, 2025. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Here's our crypto price prediction for May 16th, on a day when the market reacts sheepishly to yesterday's Coinbase hack. As a whole, the market is down by 1.3% in the past 24 hours, although its total cap of $3.4 trillion represents a 3% increase in a week and a 26% increase in a month. This has taken place amid a backdrop of encouraging signs regarding the ongoing tariff war between the US and the rest of the world, with the Trump administration and China agreeing to a pause on certain higher tariffs early this week. We therefore take a look at how the biggest altcoins Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Solana SOL, Ripple, XRP, and Cardano ADA are doing today, and at where they may be going in the near future. Crypto price prediction, May 16th. Bitcoin, BTC. At $103,655, BTC is up by 1.8% in 24 hours, with the original cryptocurrency also sitting on 7% increase in a fortnight and a 23% rise in a month. Looking at its one-day chart today, we can see that it's nearing a medium-term peak, with its indicators close to overbought positions. Its RSI, purple, recently topped 70 and looks like it could be on its way down, while its 30-day average, orange, has reached a new high in relation to the 200-day blue. Based on these two indicators, BTC should correct a little soon, although it's arguable that it can sustain high levels for a while yet, given that the market oversold it in February, March, and early April. We expect it to reach $120,000 at some point in July, provided that the US can continue to negotiate pro-trade deals with more nations, as it did recently with the UK. Ethereum, ETH. ETH is also up today, posting a 2.5% gain in 24 hours and an 8% increase in the last 7 days. Its current price is $2,608, which also marks a healthy 43% increase in a fortnight and a 65% gain in a month. Yet it's arguably bullish that ETH remains down by 13% in a year, an annual loss which implies that it remains undervalued, and should rebound even further soon enough. Looking at its chart, now appears to be a very good time to buy ETH, since it's beginning to regain momentum after a sustained phase of declines. Its 30-day average is on its way to climb over the 200-day, signaling that the coin could break out very soon. Similarly, its RSI has also spiked again after several months of depression, and given that Ethereum remains such a fundamentally strong token, it has the potential to rise strongly in the imminent future. It could reach $3,000 by the second half of the year, with the winter months bringing a push beyond $4,000. Solana SOL. SOL has posted a more modest 0.5% gain today, with its current level of $171 making for a 3% increase in a week and a 37% rise in a month. Interestingly, Solana's chart today is much like ETH's, in that the alt's 30-day average is getting ready to form a golden cross with the 200-day. That said, SOL hasn't been as weak as ETH has in recent weeks, so it's hard to say if it will rally as strongly as its Layer 1 rival. Recent days have brought significant SOL transfers to exchanges, so this spring may still remain somewhat unsettled for the token, given the ongoing uncertainty surrounding tariffs and global trade. Still, SOL is another fundamentally strong token, with the upcoming Firedancer upgrade likely to help its price push towards $300 by the end of the year. Ripple, XRP. In contrast to the other tokens in this list, XRP has actually suffered a 2% drop in the past 24 hours. The reason for this drop is that, yesterday, Judge Annalisa Torres denied a motion from the SEC and Ripple to grant an indicative ruling that would have essentially closed their long-running legal case once and for all. However, this denial has merely delayed things, with XRP remaining strong in the medium and long term. At $2.42, it remains up by 2% in a week, by 16% in a month and by 368% in a year. Its chart today shows that it remains within a growth phase, although its indicators suggest that this could come to an end soon. Most notably, its 30-day average has been well above the 200-day since early November, something which actually suggests that a correction is overdue. On the other hand, an XRP supporter might argue that the coin had spent years in an oversold position, given Ripple's legal issues. As such, XRP could continue to rise throughout the rest of the year, give or take some dips, with the coin on course to reach $3 at some point in Q3. Cardano ADA. ADA has risen to $0.7779 today, which is a 1% gain in 24 hours and a 29% increase in a month. The altcoin is also up by 70%, with today's moves coming after a whale took $53 million in ADA off Coinbase yesterday. This may have simply been a safety precaution in response to yesterday's Coinbase hack, although it could also be a whale preparing to hold ADA for the long haul. Either way, ADA's chart shows that now may be a very good time to buy the altcoin, given that its 30-day average has just climbed over the 200-day. As with most other major tokens, this follows a sustained period of declines for the token, so it looks like ADA has opened a more bullish period of gains. That said, its 24-hour trading volume remains relatively modest, at $1.1 billion today, compared to a peak of $8 billion in early March, when Donald Trump suggested that a U.S. crypto reserve would include ADA. But despite a relative lack of demand, the ADA price should return to $1 in the next few weeks, rising to $2 by Q4. Store your holdings with Best Wallet. Yesterday's Coinbase hack raises the importance of having a secure, non-custodial wallet in which to safely house your tokens. And while the market has more than its fair share of wallets to choose from, one that stands out is Best Wallet. Since launching in 2023, Best Wallet has grown to serve more than 250,000 monthly active users, who trust the app with their holdings. Some of its prime features include its support of over 60 coins, its anonymity, no KYC or user verification, and its streamlined interface. It has become one of the leading non-custodial wallets in crypto, with its app available on Android and iOS. And recently, it launched the pre-sale for its own native crypto, Best Wallet token BEST. The pre-sale has raised in excess of $12.3 million, with investors excited by BEST's utility. Best Wallet users will gain access to several benefits by holding BEST, including discounts on fees, special staking bonuses, and early access to new token launches and sales. This helps to explain why its sale is doing so well, with the coin set to list in the next few weeks. You can join its sale by going to the Best Wallet website, where Best currently costs $0.025035. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar Ripple behind Trump's XRP post. Could this controversy trigger a rally to $1,000? XRP price prediction. XRP price prediction. South Korean investors bet big on Ripple. Can XRP reach $5 in May? XRP price ready for comeback. Analysts see bull movement and strong potential for upward trend. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. While Bitcoin dominates headlines, Ripple surges 8% this week. Can momentum push XRP past $2.50 resistance? 6 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Altcoin news. Ripple whale moves $782 million in XRP. How could XRP price react? 3 days ago, by Amin Ayan. Altcoin news. Coinbase revenue from XRP tops ETH. SOL is holding soar 458%. Is XRP price ready for breakout? 6 days ago, by Amin Ayan. Best crypto to buy now in May 2025. Top crypto to invest in. May 6, 2025. By Alan Draper. New cryptocurrency to invest in May 2025. May 6, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Full presale list. March 3, 2025. By Medb Keeley-Cuddy. 10 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in May 2025. April 13, 2025. By Elijah Rankovich. 13 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. May 5, 2025. By Inesis Tavares. What is the next big crypto to explode in 2025? September 11, 2024. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 19, 2024. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 28, 2024. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? August 28, 2024. By Ben Beto.